Hey, what's up, guys? Myself Jay, and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. So, guys, as you know that I'm a rectum cancer survivor with the permanent colostomy, and I have a colostomy bag from last almost 11 years. And yeah, I'm living a very happy life. So this video is very special, and it's special because it's for ostomy patient. And guys, as you know that it's almost summer is arriving, or you can say summer have already arrived, and we as a ostomy patient already have a stoma bag, and we have to cover it. At the same time, it's very hot also. So how we can live a very normal life? So we can definitely live a very normal life using such type of belts. Yes guys, these are very flexible, these are very breathable belts, and with the help of these belt you can cover your stoma bag as well as you can protect your vest. And at the same time, it's a summertime and you want to relax and you want to be shirtless, so it's better to use such type of belts. So I have designed all these belts for ostomy patient. These belts are especially for the people who put their bag in a vertical position, so definitely you can buy this. I sell this belt throughout India, and you can get this at your doorstep. Just WhatsApp me on the screen number, and the cost of this belt is 1600. Yes guys, the cost of this belt are 1600, and you will get all size. These belts are useful for ostomy, like urostomy, colostomy, ileostomy. All patients can use it. Yes guys, because they are the best belt in the market currently, because I have searched a lot of belts in Amazon but could not find as good as this type of belt. So let me show you a small demo of how we can use such type of belts. So guys, you can see that I have put my bag in a vertical position, and there are people who put their bag in a horizontal also. I have a belt for them also, but in this video I'm showing this type of a vertical belts who are putting their bag mostly in a vertical position. So how we have to use these bags? So you have to, there's a chain here, and after that there's a hole, and just take your bag inside this hole and just wear it. Yes guys, these are very flexible, these are very breathable belts, and I'm 100% sure that you won't get such belts anywhere in India currently. So I have designed using a very premium quality of a fabric, which are flexible, which are breathable, and the best part is they are washable. So now the thing is that if you are sitting in a living room and if you want to watch TV, and now you can sit in this position also, you don't have to worry that your ostomy bag is, people are looking at it and it show that stool inside that. Now it's already covered in such type of belt, and women wearing sari, kurta, anyone can use such type of a belt. And if you want to go out and want to go in a beach and everything, just go and wear such type of belt and have a cool party and enjoy. Nobody will guess that you are having the ostomy bag. It just looks so cool and so brandy and so stylish that it look like a normal pouch that carries some material or anything. So I think, what you are waiting for? I think it's the best belt currently in India, and if you want such type of belt, then definitely WhatsApp me. And if you want, make sure that you give the size from here, not from the vest, because you are wearing this belt on the belly part. So I think you should provide the size from here only, not from here. And I will give you the details more if you want. Just WhatsApp me on the number and details and everything, your address and everything, and it will come directly to your home. So this summer, don't worry about your ostomy bag. Go out and live your life like a normal person, which you had done earlier. And I think in 1600 rupees, I think it's a good deal. So grab it and enjoy life with a stoma bag and be confident like how you were earlier. So what you are waiting for? Come on, just give me the message on my WhatsApp number, give all the details of your address, your size, and pay 1600 and the belt is yours. So I hope this video was beneficial, and if you need more such ostomy content, then do subscribe my YouTube channel, The Indian Ostomy Boy, and I have a Hindi channel also, Jai Rajasthani. If you can understand Hindi also, and you can watch that content also. So currently I am signing out. Take care. Have a nice day.